Hello, mathematics teacher leaders. Are you ready to think about posing purposeful questions? That's what we're going to talk about this coming Wednesday. We ask you to think about your questions about gathering information, probing thinking type of questions, encouraging reasoning and justification. Now we are adding one more question type to our list of questions, making mathematics visible questions. These questions are important because these questions would allow students make generalizations, consider counterexamples, or special cases of the ideas that they are exploring. These questions would also allow students connect their strategies and the key mathematical ideas. And also, these questions would allow students discover defining properties of objects of study. An example of a making mathematics visible question can be, will this strategy work with other numbers or with different parameters? With this question, we are asking kids to think about the boundaries of a particular strategy they are using and whether they can make a generalization or they need to limit this strategy for particular numbers. Another example could be, how would you define a parallelogram by using all these examples at the end of an exploration lesson where kids examine different examples of parallelograms? In this example, they are creating their own definition for the shape of a parallelogram. It's time to spiral up with continuous reflection on our making mathematics visible questions. And when we say spiral up, it means that we need to reflect on our practice. And reflection means data collection. So after gathering evidences from your lesson, think about, what did I notice about the mathematical knowledge or questions I posed in each phase of my inquiry lesson? Or you can reflect on, what might be some connections between particular levels of thinking questions and conceptual, procedural, or factual knowledge? These reflection questions and more of these types of questions can be found on our Everything Unit for Mathematics coaching book. That will be our focus of conversation this coming Wednesday. Let's bring the mathematics to the front and center. Think about in what ways you are making mathematics visible in your classrooms. And please let us know by Twitter.